Alright, Gail, let's take a tour. Let's roll.
Tour. Oh shit, yeah, there is that. We got the chef, the beer, allowing food. Beer, the food. Tacos.
Some
more
tacos.
tortillas. Yes, we're gonna do it. Bathroom. Kitchen is upstairs. Upstairs up here. But we ain't gotta go up there.
Let's go upstairs, man. Let's go upstairs. This is how it looks. Yeah,
Watch your head.
watch your head.
It's only for short people, she says.
Lights don't work?
Yeah, light work.
There you go. There we go. I got attic.
Yep. This is where that little girl died.
Yep. Yeah, some scary shit.
I'm dead.
For real.
I ain't sleeping up here.
Ain't one of them.
Sucking that.
I fall my ass down. Trying to get down.
Curtains over here.
There's not a room. Sleep on the couch.
Longing
We'll see how far we
is the
can.
music of our sphere.
That's it. This is his living room.
The gift of life
280
is never more
nights.
or
Not
less.
bad.
Yeah. Look at that window. Look at outside.
It starts at any time you like and ends in just a wink.
Share that, huh, Gail? Let me see your hat. Look at that hat. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Somebody's bell's going off. No, over here.
That's nice. That's nice.
Nothing, Junior man. Stop. That's your uncle. No, it's not. That's yours. Look, it's falling, bro.
Oh shit. Fish on. Fish on.
Really, Junior, you got it.
Let him do it, man. Let him do it.
Friday night. We at the campsite. Everybody's catfishing. White bass don't come this far. So we're catching catfish. Couple guys over here catching catfish. Trying to.
Big loud, big loud.
Where the fish at?
Fishing.
You missed one?
Lost one. Hey, this is my vacation. I don't care if I can. I'm on here meditating. With my medication. Right here. Rookie fisherman.
Oh, you lost it right here?
Yeah, trying to pull it up and drop it back down. Night crawlers and stink bait. I got night crawlers. I got to grab it. This is fun.
Longing is the music of our sphere. The gift of life is never more or less. It starts at any time you like and ends in just a wink.
Yep, we're here. It's our vacation for the weekend. That's where we stay at. Nice and pretty. Buddy, get right here. Felt it. It's biting. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. at that nigga. Get him, get him, get him. It's on. Fish on. Fish on. Get him, Gil. He's just like that. Just like that. Beautiful spot. You got a fish on. What it is? Is that a cat? That's Whitey. Yeah, Whitey. See that Whitey? What's a Whitey, Gil? That's a bass.
Sheephead?
Sheephead. He's got a drum. Drumfish.
Uncle, you eat sheephead? Uncle Juan, can you eat sheephead?
What's up, man? You ready?
Me?
You ready?
Ready. You know I'm ready. Man, gotta get this on.
That's like Sam from Rockford. You about to hit it?
Yeah. Let me get this. Try to get warm. Man, y'all wanna see the cuts work soon?
Yeah, we getting gear up. So check out all the guys. Fucker's still sleeping. Got Gail right here, still out. He won't be up till like 9. What's up, man? He's out. Couple guys up already. Saeed.
I'm ready.
This guy's ready.
Beat up all this shit, boy. We had a long ass night.
Yeah, we didn't kill that Hennessy, but I feel
Longing
like we killed it.
is the music of our sphere. The gift of life is never more or less. It starts at any time you like and ends in just a moment. Pass me the light, baby.
This guy's out. Bass today. Looks like a nice day, not too windy. It's kind of windy, but we'll get him. Hey, Pun, take your time. You got till 9 o'clock. I'll be on first. This guy gonna cook breakfast.
Hell yeah, man. I gotta watch damn dish, dog. Let's cook later.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, I like your shirt, sir. Nice shirt. There you go.
Let's go. Oh, that shit, I said good. This one.
It's comfortable.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, this guy, he's out. Oh, he's still up.
Say you got some lotion?
I'm riding Tundra. That's like Sam. That's Sam from Rockford, Illinois. And my guy, Catfish Hunter.
Bluegill.
Bluegill. Yep.
Big. I caught the big ass bluegill. It's it was
Yep.
orange and red one.
It's a nice day to be catching white bass. Nice day.
That shit's nice. You got.
This is the campground right here. Yeah, we're going down to Chico's Landing. Meet up with Captain Juan. Me, Sam, and C. Saeed, C? What should I call you? Joy.
Outside.
What?
Side.
Hong Sai. Oh, Joy. Joy's better. Yeah, my guy Joy. I Sam. It's gonna be a beautiful day.
Is the music of our sphere.
Hopefully we fill up the cooler
The
in like an
gift
hour.
of life is never more or less.
That's the plan here.
We ain't thirsty, just trying to fill up the cooler. That's it.
I'm gonna fill the bowl though.
You gotta kill the beer first before we fill up the cooler. Yeah, man. Hi.
He's the troublemaker. Get him on tape.
What
you gotta have?
Full lunch and ice.
Are you a man?
Guys, have a great day.
Right.
Yeah, right up
I'm gonna need sinkers. You got the wrong one?
there. Launch and down on the bottom. Have fun. Good luck.
Yeah, here we go. Thank you guys.
Good luck.
There you go.
Thanks, guys.
Get that shit now. Really fun. How do I get my wallets? How do I get that?
That's the one thing you don't want to forget.
No, the most important thing, you know? Fucking wallets.
Yep.
Okay, wait till that.
A couple days ago, too, driving. Oh, they can arrest me, whatever. I remember my license by heart.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, shit. They're like, people freaking out, like, yeah, punch it where, punch it in, you know? Crazy thing to me is, I remember my ex-wife's social security number. I can't get that out of my head. That's crazy. That's I haven't seen it once, and it's stuck on me. That's crazy, man.
All the numbers, huh?
Yeah, all the fucking numbers. Some things you remember, some things you don't. Even my wife's phone number or not. Crazy how it works. My ex-wife's social, I remember that. There's a fish came up there. There's a white bass right there. Hey, there's a white bass right here.
All the way up.
It's a good line.
Yeah, here. What's the one I told you to get?
I got it. I think this.
Got the wrong pro?
Yeah.
No, that's your problem.
Belonging is the music of our sphere. The gift of life is never more or less.
You make that? Yeah. Oh, that's an old school shit.
Starts at an
Hey, boy, the white boys figure out.
and ends
Oh,
in
man,
just
look at this. Oh, thank you. Donation.
One extra large, man.
My buddy. Extra large. Try to sing, man.
Large. Right here. I'm wearing large now, right here.
Yeah, it looks small.
Yeah.
Sure, it's small. I put I think I'll let you wash it in shit. I'm an agent to that one. Hey, because when you wear your gear,
Well, I'm telling my wife, yeah.
you know what I think the other one's trying to do? Trying to find out what comes with the material I'm using. Yeah.
Sure enough, you did.
Exactly.
Where you get your shit at? Man, do your own research.
Shit.
Glad I bought my jacket.
Polyester on them.
Huh?
I'm glad I bought my jacket.
Yeah.
I'd be fucked.
We'll be fine when we settle. But wait till I take off though. It's gonna be cold.
Yeah. That's why I put all the ingredients, line it all up for
Get
me.
ready.
Since I just cut up your fish and everything, put soy like that. Even now, say that way, cook a little bit. Now, not put much, not even cook it a little bit. That's it, and put all the ingredients in. That's it.
Hey, I got my own fly now, okay? Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, look at that! Yeah, shit now. Yeah, if you real fisherman, you gotta have that. That's the start. As long as you got the shit, man.
Look, I gotta ask you for. I got a lot.
Oh damn!
I know what box to go to now.
You can have something money when you ain't there.
Don't worry, Dom's like that when he started out.
Yeah. I'll take everybody.
Yeah, there's some around here. Hey,
We'll start here? Why not, huh?
It's good. It's hot.
Huh?
I can lift around right here too, but I'm not.
Is that 2 ways or three ways? Yeah, right there, yep. Oh yeah, you need more line.
No, forget it.
Okay. Are we good? You got all my cameras?
You need a signal on your shit too.
Yeah.
I bought it. Look, I just never put it on. Down.
See?
I thought put it when we come out tomorrow.
Yep.
Tonight.
Ranger boat. Hey Juan, you know that bar on the boat there?
Yeah.
Now that digs to the ground, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. I always wondered what that thing was.
You bought some chicken?
You're gonna need them. Yeah. This
Oh, this heavy?
it's really strong currents in there.
Okay.
You're gonna want to feel the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, care, but look, I got. His ass knocked out. He was too drunk.
He still look familiar right away.
Yeah, oh shit. That's how I am, though, you know.
You study, huh?
That's why the guys at work be like, no, I ain't showing you the pictures. Every time we show you something, you know exactly what it's started. But you gotta know your geography. I was good in that shit.
Yep. Ooh.
Oh
shit.
shit.
Wally.
Man, I got good half a can. No. Gotta get thrown way down. Throw it as far as you can.
This is Wally.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Woohoo, baby.
Oh, yeah, that's a keeper.
Look at that. Skill level, mastery. Lot about tonight, for real, right here.
Pack hoop. Hold it up.
I'm gonna pull. Hey, you African guy, look at this. This is real shit. Ain't no one to be fishermen over here.
Right?
The real fishermen. Some. Okay.
เอาปลาโถมันนี่มีปลาสีมัน
You're
got
always
it.
taking videos, you know? Yeah. It's fishing the wall is straight down there, I'm showing you. Okay. Deep down, right close.
Good. Okay, เอาตัว back in, right?
Yeah.
No.
Thank you. Oh, no, here. Let's put it in the cooler away because I hate to clean that shit.
I put in yours, right? For now? Yeah.
Something like close to 80 degrees. Yeah.
Sam, you want to drink it now or later?
Oh my god. I'll drink right now. Probably look at him.
Yep.
You see him?
Yeah.
The walleye, the green one. Yeah.
Breakfast for champ right here.
Cousin Kelly.
Captain,
Oh,
too early?
You guys too early.
Nah, I know it.
You guys.
Yeah, don't have to be that long. See my line?
That your shit long. No, it's not long. Don't listen to that guy. This shit long? I was misleading you.
Yeah, man, professional level. Wait till I hook the guy in the back.
When you go fly fishing.
Yeah, that walleye.
Brother came too?
Huh?
Young's brother came? No. I know the Steph, his little cousin? Oh, definitely. Matthew. The guy that got stuffy nose. Oh, Big Ton. He's have to get away from the neck on the cafe for a little bit. I saw that
Where the fish at, huh?
Oh, yeah, not produce.
That's all red is fish.
Yep. Ooh, it's missed one.
Shit deep though.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, okay.
One of the hole.
I was thinking on like 6 to 8 or something. Oh yeah. Oh, got another one. Got another one.
Tell you, man, professional level.
Yeah, I'm switching up.
Oh, fuck. Lost it. Come back, come back, come back. I just ripped the lip. I don't know if it's the bottom or the top one.
Fix this up a little bit. Longer, right?
Yeah, I lost him. That's walleye. Fighting pretty hard.
Yeah, she has a sheep head.
Right?
I don't believe you until I see that fish.
Right? Oh, motherfucker. Man.
You want to use some of my fly, bro?
No.
I'm pretty sure you offer it. You reckon use it, bro? It's bad luck, but you can use it. Oh, man. Give me your good luck.
But I'm good.
You got him. You win that tournament.
Walleye, eh?
That's the biggest in Wisconsin.
Oh, that. How much is it for the first place?
$9 grand.
9? Holy shit.
Yeah.
My coworker went up there last year. Took third place or something like
So
that.
it's like still $5 grand.
Yeah, he made
Yeah.
that money. He like, me and fucking Fib came up here, took that.
Yeah, it's whitey.
Whitey?
Yep, I can feel it. I can tell what it is before they come in.
So the walleye? All the way back.
Whitey.
Damn, that's a nice patty.
Like just like that, man. You see it, Joy? See how you do it?
Try to be like, yeah, man, you wait till tonight. I'm sure you can catfish. Plain catfish.
I can't beat you with that one. Not that far, it's right here. Oh, fish on, baby. Get him, Cap. That's a whitey, that's a whitey. You can stay here for a little bit. Mall out, way over there. All the way from downtown. Wally. Look at that one. Whoa. Good eater, good eater. No, pretty small. I don't know.
Hey, let's see what the amount of people we have. A lot.
A lot, yeah.
I like to.
Why not?
They were over there at Blanco Island. They changed that up to 8. Gotta be 18 inches.
18 now?
Yep. Limit 3 persons. Like that everywhere. Oh, really?
At whole Wisconsin, 3. Used to be 5. Everybody was complaining, like, it's not worth the drive. Drive that far for 3.
No. It's a good thing to have it because people take them out. Yeah, because they said people were pulling too much in. Yeah. Doesn't give a chance, for them to reproduce.
Hey, how many phone you need?
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No deep, usually.
What? This one got 2.
Wally. Whitey. Ooh, Wally. Someone got a tag on it. Look for the tag. Just grab it.
It's supposed to be your night too, El.
Ooh, get him, Sam, get him. I see that. See that hook set. White, it's a white. Rock bass. Shoot for that one.
Keep this. Rock that. You never eat this.
I got like six on the water. It's in the thing. It's like Tokyo.
Oh, yeah? Oh, damn. You never had one like this?
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
First one catching this?
They got a lot of meat.
Longing is the music of our street. The gift
Get him, Joy,
of
get him.
life
Wally.
is never more or less. It starts at any time you like.
Ooh, nice one, baby. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one.
It's just the wing.
Oh, got him. That's Whitey right there. His pool small. Oh. Good eater.
It's set, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Naman live.
Set, right?
Naman live.
That's what's crawling around, huh?
Yep. Find out what it is.
Clean. Nice and clean. Sticky dick up. Hey, don't pee. Don't pee against the wind. This guy, you flying this way. I don't know, man. Kick him up.
Oh man.
Just to kick his ass in while he's peeing. Ủa nhà đây chụp không mỏi đấy. Yeah, just go along here.
Pick it here and there.
Yeah.
Pick one here and there, you know.
That's the river? Okay. Ooh, fish on, baby. Get him, Captain. Get him. Yep, yep.
Put on a heavy sinker. Put a heavy sinker, like 1 ounce. Put like 1 ounce on.
Nice one. Holy. Ooh. Nice. Damn. Fish on, fish on. Big one. Damn. Big mama. Hang on, Cat. Hang on. Turn this way. Team up. him, Cap.
Let them Chinese see us. But they're gonna slowly come up.
Wally.
Nice. Whoa, that's a good whitey. That's a
Look at
fatty.
that.
We can fill them through the line.
Hit the by the grass. Ooh, it's missed one. By the grass. Get him, get him, get him. Northern.
Northern?
Northern. Northern. Side limits to him too. Fuck this. It's gotta be 28.
Oh, you asked me certain size.
28. Yeah, Whitey's not here.
I don't look like.
Let's go check that hole. Kevin. That hole in the center. Whitey. Handshake. Bad handshake. What the fuck? Hey, walleye.
Oh, he was some point.
Was fighting back, huh?
No, I caught a hand. I saw boy, you just this big. He was still alive.
Was it?
I took it home and gave it to mom.
There's a lot of them here.
Yeah, I took it home. Mom, she chopped that stuff and eat it. Good.
Wally. That's a nice one, huh?